Parents, kids, and teachers agree. The easiest way to learn coding is with Tinker. With Tinker, kids can start coding with simple drag-and-drop blocks, then make their way to full-on JavaScript. Tinker has a personalized path for every child. Whether their interests lie in playing video games, modding Minecraft, designing games, fiddling with robotics and drones, or even text-based programming, your child will find a Tinker activity that fascinates them. In Tinker's game design activities, kids learn about all the different elements that go into building games. They will learn to create games like fun arcade shooters and classic adventures. Now, if your child is interested in Minecraft like most kids today are, Tinker offers a ton of features to enhance their Minecraft experience. Kids will have access to coding courses, a private server, Tinker's mod designer, skin and resource editors, and fun mini-games. For kids who enjoy seeing their code run in real life, our robotics and drones courses teach coding concepts with cool robotic toys. Kids can pilot drones using their tablets, and they'll learn about fundamentals like variables, loops, and functions all along the way. Tinker has proven to be effective because of our fun puzzles, self-paced lessons with built-in tutorials, a reward system that keeps kids invested, and a workshop to create all kinds of custom projects. And, as your child goes through Tinker's activities, you can use your parent account to monitor your child's progress. You can see their concepts mastery, their recent activities, and answer keys from all your children's lessons. You can even log into their account with just one click from the parent dashboard. Most importantly, Tinker is certified as COPPA compliant, so you know your child is learning in a safe environment. So sign up with Tinker today.
It's really amazing seeing them do it. I mean, they're 9 years old and they're doing incredible things themselves. That's just so special.